How to remove payment method on TikTok. Hey everyone, in today's tutorial, I'll show you guys how you can easily remove payment method on TikTok. So let's just jump right in. The very first thing you do is open up your TikTok application. And then from here, what you can do is go to your profile section. You usually land on the home page. So tap on the profile icon at the bottom right, and then tap on the three lines at the top right. Then you'll find your balance here. And if you don't find the balance section here, go to settings and privacy. And you should be able to see your balance on your settings and privacy. Now just go ahead and tap on the balance option. And it will show you your available balance on TikTok. The next step is to tap on the balance or the card on this profile. And from here, you have an option to withdraw your balance. So simply go ahead and tap on the withdraw button. And on this next page, you will see your payment method that you've previously added to withdraw your balance or add balance to your account. And then right besides that, you have your manage button. Just tap on the manage option and it will show you your payment method. Tap on the payment method. And then right at the bottom, you will have the delete button. So just tap on delete. And then from here, it will ask you if you really want to delete this method. Just tap on delete. And as you can see, the method has successfully been deleted. So if you go back, there is no longer any other payment method. And if you want, you could add any other payment method by tapping on the big red button at the bottom. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next one.